All the city girls out there screaming free JT now. Look at the shorty now, JT free. I don't even know how that go. But good morning, y'all. It's your girl, QueensteezTV. And on the 8th day of Vlogmas, QueensteezTV gave to me a breakfast sandwich and a beautifully decorated tree. Hey y'all, so as I told y'all in my beautiful intro, so I'm hungry, y'all. It is early for me. So let me give y'all a quick story time. So y'all, I'm asleep and I hear truck. So I'm like, I jump up because the trashmen, they pick and choose what bags and stuff like that they want to get. So I am never able to catch them because I'm always at work. But baby, I was home this time. I was getting my sleep. Heard that truck. I ran, looked out the window. I said, oh, let me put a shirt on. And I ran down the steps. And I was sitting in my kitchen waiting to go out on the deck because I wanted to see if they was going to take the bags. So, y'all, I'm peeping out the kitchen window, right? So, I have 2 large trash cans. I don't know how many gallons they are, but they real big. The city gave us one, and then I went to Home Depot and bought another one. Because 1 can of trash is not enough. And, you know, I got my recycle bins and all that. You know, we recycle over here, all that, right? So, I had 2 more bags. Because I had done some remodeling in the basement, so I had some stuff to throw away, right? Well, the trash man looks at the 2 other bags I had on the side. He do one of these. And proceed to go to the other bags. So he picked up the ones out the cans. So I bust open the door. I said, hold up. Get them bags too. My bad if I'm yelling, y'all. But I was yelling down because I was getting ready to go down the steps. I was going to fly down the steps of the deck, right? So he like, well, we don't come in people's gates. So then his friend jumped up the back of the garbage truck to come get him back up. He like, yeah, we don't go in nobody's gate. It's the gate locked. I was like, first of all, the gate ain't locked. I said, I just put the chain. All right, let me tell y'all. So my gate is Jimmy rigged because the trash man broke my gate. So I wasn't paying because y'all know wire fences, they cost a lot of money. I wasn't doing that. So what I did is I got a chain and I wrap it around, okay? Because other than that, the gate just keeps flying open. No. So the city, y'all not going to reimburse for the gate. So, yeah, come get my trash. So anyway, he like, yeah, if the gate close the gate, like we don't come in the gate. I said, okay, well, number 1, the gate is not locked. So take the bags. So he gonna try to go like, they act like the gate was locked. I said, sir, try that another day. I said, all you gotta do is lift the little piece of chain I got up. Just lift it up. The gate flies open. The floodgates are open. Stop playing with me. Take my trash. Yeah. On to my next set of drama. So, first of all, I'm hungry, okay? So I'm getting ready to make me a breakfast sandwich. I'm going to show y'all what I make. It got me a bagel. I was going to go to McDonald's, but why go to McDonald's when I got the ingredients in my house? Some cheese. What kind of cheese is this? BH. Oh, Boar's Head Shop White Cheddar. Cheddar is yellow, but whatever. And I got some sausages, regular sausages, and the egg. Yes, God. I'm going to make me a breakfast sandwich. McDonald's too. But yeah, on to my next set of drama. So I told y'all that I ordered a new tray, right? Shout out to the winner, you feel me, of my giveaway. I'm getting ready to decorate it today or whatever. But yeah, so what the? I don't know what that was, but baby, I got weapons of mass destruction. So yeah, whoever wants some, this is for rolling royalties, but baby, this will come across you. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? We ain't on that. I'm trying to show you how to make. I don't even know what I was saying. But so, yeah, I got the breakfast sandwich. I was telling y'all about the tree. All right. So, y'all, I ordered. Now, the contest is over. I ordered a white tree, right? Paid $70 for it from Amazon. And guess what? Went down the basement. And behold, what do I find? Another white tree. And guess how much this tree was? It was $20. $20 from the Dollar Tree. Was it from Dollar Tree or Family Dollar? It was from one of them, but it's the same exact tree that I ordered, but one was $70 and one was $20. I'm gonna use my $20 white tree that I already had that I didn't know I had. Girl, I got all these trees for bad. But I was gonna do both of the white trees, the upstairs and the downstairs, because y'all really gave me some good ideas to put on the other tree. But when I thought about it in the grand scheme, I was like, yeah, the $70 tree is going back to where it came from. My white tree is coming upstairs. There will be no tree downstairs, but next year there will be a tree downstairs because I'm going to go back to Family Dollar and get it for the $20. You heard me. But yeah, let me get my sandwich because, y'all, I feel my sugar is dropping low the more I keep talking. So let me eat and all that, and then we'll get to decorating the tree. Okay?
I'm so cute. You be dragging on this beat.
Alright guys, so I'm back. This is the final product. So I'm just getting ready to make me some orange juice. And I have a bottle of water, because whenever I drink juice, I always drink water after it. I'm getting ready to finish watching my movie. I ain't trying to get hit with no copyright, nothing. And then when I come back, then we put
I'm so cute. You be dragging on this beat.
y'all, brief intermission. So I done fluffed the tree out and all of that stuff. But I just want to say that this is very ghetto. So I got this little box of ornaments, whatever. But why do I have to string the ornaments myself? I feel like before when you used to buy ornaments, they used to come pre-stringed. So I had to buy these little hooks. Let me give you a quick tutorial. I had to buy these little hooks. And I had to string my own ornaments and then put them on the tree. Ghetto boots. I don't like that. But anyway, y'all, so give me a minute, like, because I gotta string all of these and then I gotta find, I don't even know, these might need more than one hook on the big ones. So I ordered all blue ornaments, but I did take y'all suggestions. Y'all was giving me some good suggestions. This will need more than one. Baby, this might knock the whole tree down. I don't know, this kind of heavy. These may not make it. So I did take y'all, that might be too big, y'all suggestions, and I actually did go to Amazon and they actually just brought these for me. I ordered some silver ornaments too. So these just came. I did Amazon same day. So it was like if I ordered them within a certain time, they brought them in 2 hours, but they did. I was surprised. So yeah, I'm just over here stringing ornaments. I guess I gotta string them too, huh? I only had 1 pack. Oh shoot. I only got 1 pack of these, so. Girl, the world has gotten very ghetto. Customer service is very low these days. But I'm gonna keep stringing because I'm gonna be here for a while, so I ain't gonna make y'all watch me string up ornaments. Psych. Yes, I am. I would make y'all sit here and watch me string the ornaments. It's like, no, y'all. I'll be back in a minute.